To transfer GIFs to Maya, start by opening your Maya software and creating a new scene or opening an existing one. Next, identify the GIFs you want to transfer, which can be in the form of 3D models, textures, or animations. You can export these GIFs from their original software in a compatible format such as OBJ, FBX, or Maya ASCII. If the GIFs are in the form of textures, ensure they are in a format that Maya supports, such as JPEG or TIFF. Once you have your GIFs ready, go to the File menu in Maya and select Import. Choose the file type that matches your GIFs and select the file you want to import. Maya will then import the GIFs into your current scene. If the GIFs are 3D models, you can import them as a complete object or as a reference. Importing as a reference allows you to make changes to the original file and have those changes reflected in your Maya scene. To transfer animations, you will need to export the animation data from the original software in a format such as FBX or Maya ASCII. Then, in Maya, go to the File menu and select Import. Choose the file type that matches your animation data and select the file you want to import. After importing the GIFs, you can adjust their position, scale, and rotation to fit your scene. You can also apply textures and materials to the imported 3D models. Best practices for transferring GIFs to Maya include ensuring that the files are in a compatible format, organizing your imported files in a logical manner, and testing the imported GIFs to ensure they are working as expected. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer GIFs to Maya and enhance your 3D scenes with new models, textures, and animations.